In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Copilot for PowerPoint. Before we jump into the settings, it's important to understand one key thing. Copilot is not a standard feature that appears for every user by default. It requires a qualifying Microsoft 365 subscription because it's a premium AI feature that works closely with your Microsoft files and apps. So if you open PowerPoint and don't see any Copilot option, that usually means your current subscription does not include access to it yet. With that in mind, go ahead and open PowerPoint. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top left corner and click File. This will open the Backstage menu where you can access your application settings and account-related options. From there, click Options. This opens the PowerPoint Options window where you can manage different features and preferences for the app. At this point, you'll want to check the menu on the left side of the Options window carefully. Now, here's an important detail. If your account does not have the required subscription, you may notice that there is no Copilot section listed in this menu. That's normal, and it confirms that the feature is not currently available for your version of PowerPoint. In other words, there may be nothing wrong with the app itself. The feature simply won't appear unless your Microsoft 365 plan supports it. If you do have the correct subscription, you should see a Copilot option in the left-hand panel. Click on that Copilot section. Inside, you'll find a checkbox labeled Enable Copilot. Tick that checkbox to turn the feature on. After enabling it, the final step is to restart PowerPoint. Closing and reopening the app allows the setting to take effect properly. Once PowerPoint starts again, Copilot should be available and ready to use, assuming your subscription and account permissions are all set correctly. So, to quickly recap in a simple way, open PowerPoint, click File, go to Options, look for the Copilot section, enable the checkbox, and then restart the app. If you don't see the Copilot option at all, the most likely reason is that you need a qualifying Microsoft 365 subscription. That's it. Once everything is enabled, you'll be ready to start using Copilot inside PowerPoint to help speed up your workflow and make creating presentations easier.